I see people south at the mushroom tower. Knocked him.
South mushroom.
Got him.
Oh, I ran out of ammo for the No.
He's inside.
You're shooting at the guys at the rock, right?
Yeah. Anyone else there? Oh, there we go. Got like a bottle of water in here or something. Makes someone get anything.
I'm just lighting these kids up for days. Here, I'll come to you and drop some shit.
Knocked one out.
Nice. Knock the other.
Alright, let's go North America.
I see him. Downed him.
There's also a guy on.
I have an energy drink, but yeah, if you have a first aid, I can.
I got you. There you go.
Thank you.
He's like behind me.
I see him.
Yeah. Where's he top?
Hit him
like,
twice.
roof?
Hit him twice. He jumped behind it, northeast side. I'm jumping down. I'm gonna push him.
I'm down. Okay, I'm in the water, so yo, don't peek it. He was like on the
I got
hill.
him. I got him. I got him.
Nice.
He's down.
Okay, here.
Actually, wait, come to me. Come to me. There's someone
Yep.
else.
You gotta heal me fast. I'm losing health, like hard.
Okay. Okay.
Oh, fuck.
Fuck. What? Okay. See his leg.
Wow, I should probably just. I had my monitor off. Sorry, what happened? Holy fuck, that was horrible. I don't know how I whiffed all those bullets. One of them had an SKS.
Healing. Oh,
what up?
fuck.
What a cum dumpster this guy is.
He's near you. Oh shit, where the fuck was he? Behind you.
Jesus Christ.
Wow, look at these gods, eh? I wish I was as good as these kids.
Oh, one more.
Close, close, close. Oh shit, I have a fucking revolver. This is bullshit.
This is fun. Hit them both a few times.
Nice. There you go. Completely outplayed. Oh, he's behind now.
Are you safe?
Fuck. Yeah, I'm safe.
Okay. Fuck, he got you?
Wow,
I
he
killed
took me
him.
out.
Alright, well, I'm killing him. Fuck that. There's his buddy. Oh my god. He has a big boy gun.
You could try booking it to me. I have an M16. Nope.
He's got me locked down. He knows I just have a pistol.
Behind you. Wow.
This guy's
Alright, I'll
definitely
be
going
entering
to
through
the
the
L.
back. Let's go find something.
Alright, I'm rushing him.
Go for it. I have nothing, but
Got one.
you just, should we go push the other guy? I found an Uzi. I got something.
I see. Got him.
This fucking guy. Nice. Okay, I think that was it, right? Just the two.
Just those two.
Good shit, man.
No, they're in the other barn, dude. Other barn, other barn. Run, run,
Yeah,
run,
we
run.
fucked that up.
Got them both. Angles. They have angles. They have angles.
Yeah, I'm downed.
Yeah. They had angles on us.
Ah, I thought they were both in the car. That's fucked. Nice. Beautiful. That windowsill thing, I love it.